Interpersonal relations. If a woman keeps a low profile on these three things, it means she is not simple. Low profile is the elegant posture of the soul. In the noisy world, everyone is looking for their own stage, eager to be seen and heard. However, the real wise men often choose to bloom silently with a low profile. They are like orchids in the deep valley, whose fragrance will not be reduced because no one appreciates them. They are like stars in the night sky. Even if the light is weak, they can illuminate the world. In the relationship between the sexes, if a woman can keep a low profile in the following three things, then she must have extraordinary wisdom and profound connotation. 1. Keep a low profile in the face of achievements and honors, and show humility and self-knowledge. Pride brings harm, humility brings benefit. This ancient proverb reveals the power of humility. In the face of achievements and honors, truly smart women will not show off their success, but choose to be low-key and regard this honor as a driving force for progress. They know that every achievement is temporary, and the real growth lies in constantly surpassing oneself and exploring the unknown. Just like Jane Eyre in Jane Eyre, even in the face of Mr. Rochester's praise and love, she never lost herself and always maintained a humble and firm heart. She said, "I am poor, humble, and not beautiful, but when our souls pass through the grave and stand before God, we are equal." Jane Eyre's low-key and self-knowledge allowed her to maintain independence and dignity in both love and life. In the relationship between the sexes, a woman who can keep a low profile in the face of achievements and honors knows how to appreciate the strengths of others and has the courage to admit her own shortcomings. She will not be complacent about temporary success, nor will she gloat over the failure of others. Her humility makes her particularly dazzling in the crowd, because her light comes from inner peace and self-confidence. 2. Keep a low profile in emotional entanglements and show wisdom and tolerance. Love is another name for understanding. Tagore said so. In a relationship between the sexes, emotional entanglements are inevitable, but a wise woman will choose to keep a low profile in emotional entanglements and resolve conflicts with tolerance and understanding, rather than magnifying the problem and putting each other in an embarrassing situation. In the movie X-Files 3, Goodbye X, the love story of Lin Jia and Meng Yu is very touching. Faced with the emotional entanglement after the breakup, Lin Jia did not choose to make a big fuss, but quietly sorted out her mood and started her life again. Her low-key and tolerant attitude made Meng Yu finally realize that he really learned to cherish Lin Jia after losing her. In the relationship between the two sexes, a woman who can keep a low profile in emotional entanglements knows how to take a step back at the right time, leaving space for each other and letting the emotions breathe. Her wisdom lies in knowing how to find a way to coexist peacefully in complex emotional entanglements. Her tolerance allows her to always maintain a sense of tranquility and calmness in the ocean of emotions. 3. Keep a low profile in material pursuits, reflecting indifference and detachment. Life in the world is like a white horse passing by, it's just a flash. Zhuangzi's words reveal the brevity and impermanence of life. In this era of material supremacy, a truly wise woman will not regard material pursuits as the whole of life, but choose to enjoy every simplicity and purity in life with a low-key attitude. Jane Eyre in Jane Eyre, even in adversity, never gave up the pursuit of a better life, but what she pursued was not material wealth, but spiritual independence and freedom. She rejected St. John's proposal and chose to spend the rest of her life with Rochester, because she understood that true happiness comes from the harmony of the soul and the resonance of emotions, rather than the accumulation of material things. In the relationship between the sexes, a woman who can keep a low profile in material pursuits knows that the true meaning of life is not how much you have, but how much you cherish. Her indifference allows her to maintain a sobriety and independence in a world full of material desires. Her detachment allows her to always stick to the innocence and beauty of her heart on the road of love. Conclusion. Low-key is a kind of wisdom, but also a kind of power. Low water becomes the sea, and low people become kings. Loki is not only a life attitude, but also a kind of life wisdom. In the relationship between the sexes, if a woman can keep a low profile in achievements and honors, emotional entanglements, and material pursuits, then she must have extraordinary wisdom and profound connotations. Her low profile makes her particularly unique among the crowd, because the light she exudes comes from her inner peace and confidence, and from her love and respect for life. Just as the old saying goes, the wise seek everything from themselves, while the foolish seek everything from others. A Loki woman knows how to find her place in the complex world and maintain a peaceful and firm heart. Her wisdom and strength do not lie in external publicity and show-off, but in inner peace and calmness. In the relationship between the sexes, let us learn to appreciate each other's beauty with a Loki attitude and cherish every encounter and understanding.